Alright, let's start off in an isometric view with this one. Start with the line command. Let's go ahead and select our start point. Turn the ortho on. Go this direction, 5. And I'm going to go this direction, 5. Now when you're going in the down direction, make sure that the information next to your cursor is saying a negative z-axis. So I'm going to go down a distance of 7. And now you can see I have a taper here at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to key in the next location. So I have to go in the y direction, 8. And then I have to go down in the z direction, 3. So I will type in 0, comma, negative 8, comma, negative 3. You can see that that will give you that slanted line. Go up a distance of 10. And make sure that it's once again saying in the positive z direction. I'll come this direction a distance of 5. Okay, now my shape is created the way I need it. I'll go ahead and put the fillets on next. Fillet, radius, 1. And I do have more than one, so I'll use the multiple option. And I'll put fillets at where all of my corners are. Let's go ahead and create a circle for our cutter profile. Well, not cutter profile, for our 2D profile. So I'll use a circle center diameter. Diameter is 1.25. We need to rotate this up. So I'll switch out of my 2D wireframe to a, let's use hidden this time. I'm selecting the move gizmo to rotate gizmo. Select my circle, green axis. Make sure you stand it up. Move your circle from its center to this endpoint. Sweep. Select my profile, and I'll select the path. And you can notice that I did forget to join my path together. So I'll escape from this one. And I'm going to highlight the lines and join them together. Now when I use the sweep, select my circle, then I'll select my profile. Use the shell command. Select your 3D object, and then select the faces that you want to remove. The next step into this will be to give it the distance, 0.125.